My wife just got home. We got her CC, cheap Archill in there. She said her engine light came on. So, show you guys how easy it is to check this out. We're gonna turn our ignition on, get power to the ECU, and then we're gonna go ahead and jump into config mode here. Tap the left button to read codes. And we've got a 2187, which is cooling system performance, and 2181, which is running lean. Oh, we got an 0507 now. Having those codes gives you a good starting point. So we're gonna jump out here under the hood. Pull this cover off, and you can hear a hissing sound. And we've got this little hole on the PCV valve. Listen to this. When I plug this hole, you can hear the car return to a normal idle. It's also kind of hunting for a good idle, but I think thermostat's about the only thing that can be a cooling system performance code. I'm guessing we're gonna have to replace the diaphragm or the whole PCV valve. And then let's say I go ahead and do those repairs and I wanna clear codes. It's as simple as this. Ignition back on, go into the config mode, and then instead of tapping the left button, we're now gonna hold the left button down. Codes are clearing, it says cleared. Go ahead and start up that car. No more check engine light.